Hi dear students, this is Sanal from Physics Login. Today we are going to solve this question. A simple pendulum consisting of mass m attached to a string of length L, and it is released from rest. So it is released from rest at an angle alpha. A pin is located at a distance L below the pivot point, okay? Below the pivot point, this L distance. So you can see a pin is there. When the pendulum swings down, the string hits the pin as shown in the figure. The maximum angle theta, which the string strikes with the verticals. Okay, so after that, it is what is the maximum angle it can swing? That is the question. In this, the concept is it is released from rest. Okay, when it is released from rest means the kinetic energy is zero. So kinetic energy is zero means what? The potential energy, that same potential energy it will have when it reaches the other end, right? So here, when it is reaching here, it will have the same potential energy. That means the height will be same. The change in position will be same. So you can see this. This is the situation. Okay. So this length, when you check the potential energy, this length will be same for both. You can say that from alpha angle, this is alpha, this is L. So what will be this distance? L cos alpha. So you take it as AB. So when you consider AB, it will be L cos alpha. When you consider the small triangle, what is this distance? This is capital N minus small l, right? The remaining is shifted. This angle you have taken as theta. If you take this angle as theta, what is the length now? It will be, this distance will be, you can write it as small l is there from here to here, plus this thing, right? If you add, you will get it. Both are equal. So L plus L minus L cos theta. When you consider this one, if you don't know, when you consider this one, this is the angle theta, right? So adjacent side you required means cos theta will come. This is exactly equal to L cos alpha. From here, you solve for cos theta. Cos theta will be equal to L cos alpha minus L upon L minus L, right? So theta will be equal to cos inverse of L cos alpha minus L upon L minus L. So this is the answer. When you check this, L minus L, so answer C will, option C will be the correct option. Okay. If you feel that this video is useful to you, please subscribe, like the video, and press the bell icon for the next video solutions. Thank you.